Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to embed YouTube video inside your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So you have this blank form and you want to embed YouTube video inside the form. How can you do it? I will show you. So just go to your toolbox first and right click your toolbox anywhere and just click this option called choose items from here, and in here go to com component tab, which is this tab, and in here search for the tool called shock wave flash player, which is this one. So search for shock wave flash object, and by default it's unchecked, so check this option from here and just click OK. And once you do this, you will be able to find this shock wave flash object inside your toolbox. So this will help us to embed the YouTube video. Just drag and drop this object inside your form and it will load this shockwave flash object, and if you want you can resize it and you can anchor it to all the sides. Okay, and now what you need to do is you need to have a YouTube video link. So for example, I will copy a video link, YouTube video links. So just copy the URL of this video, whatever video you want to embed, and then go to your Visual Basic project once again and select this shockwave tool, and in here in the property search for the property called movie, which is this one, and in this property we are going to paste our link, right? So just paste the link of your video inside this movie property, and we need to just edit this link a little. So this https semi colon slash slash www.youtube.com slash will be same, and you need to delete this watch word from the URL. So just delete this watch word and delete this question mark or question mark letter, and just delete this equal to from after your V and give a slash here. So your full URL would be now https colon slash slash www.youtube.com slash v slash the unique code for the video. Okay, and now once you have done that, and once you click to the shockwave player, you will be able to see your video already embed inside your Visual Basic Windows form. So now you can play this video as you can play this YouTube video anywhere else on the browser. You can just play it and it will run the same. Just one thing, it requires an internet connection obviously, and it will just run as it is as a YouTube video. You can just maximize it and minimize it like this. So I hope you understood how to embed YouTube video inside your Windows form. I hope you liked this video, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.